Hi, how are you?
Pretty. You look very
Okay,
pretty.
okay. Thank you. So, how's your day?
Today my day is very, I can say, very good because today is my birthday.
Oh, today is your birthday. Many happy returns of day.
Thank you. And my husband first he gave me a rose flower and a chocolate. And in the evening we will go WTP.
Okay, so today you have a lots of plan because your today's birthday.
No, lots of plans. Only we
Mhm.
will go WTP mall. It's a very big
Okay,
mall, and where me, my husband, and my daughter enjoy my birthday.
okay. You celebrate at outside means going restaurant and mall.
Restaurant. There is a restaurant also in WTP. This is
Okay. Mm-hmm. So there is a famous mall here, big
yes,
mall here.
very famous mall here, WTP,
Okay.
and I think it is Asia's biggest mall.
Okay. Okay. Because I heard first time this name.
WTP World Trade
Mm-hmm.
P4 WTP World एक मिनट World Trade Point I think ऐसे ही कुछ है.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So now you plan to shopping there? You you want to buy something there?
Shopping, lots of shopping today I will do because it is right now it's my day.
Yeah. Because the same year when my birthday is came and I will go to a mall and purchasing this clothes for me for a whole year. I purchase one time and your
My name is
education.
Tanya. Okay. My name is Tanya and I'm living with my husband and daughter. And I have done my post graduation from Meerut University. Right now I'm living with my husband in Jaipur. This is all about me and I'm a homemaker.
Okay. So shall I introduce myself? My name is Priya and I'm a home baker. If I talk about my education, I completed my post graduation in MBA and I am a mother of two children and that is about me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Priya.
Mhm.
Right now, where are you living?
Yeah, I'm living in Pune right now with my husband.
Okay. Tell me about something Pune. Pune is a very, I think, good city because weather is very pleasant.
Yeah. Yeah, whole year weather is like a same. No changes are happen. It's between 250 degrees to 28, 29 degrees Celsius. In sometimes in summer, uh, grow after 30 degrees Celsius. Otherwise, same environment, climate here. Yeah, and if talk about Pune city, it is an important city in terms of economic and industrial area. Pune is rich historical, and it is a capital of it is a cultural capital of Maharashtra. And if we consider, it is a prestigious educational destination here. 86% people are educated here. Also they prefer came here Pune and taking education further, like post graduation, engineering. Also here best colleges here, engineering college here, big campus here, IIT like college and engineering. And if some in Pune give a title of the Oxford of the East here, and
Oh,
here
it's
are
a
lots of places here to visit here. It's not if you planning for 1 year, the 1 year is not enough for you for visiting here because lots of fort here and famous places here, historical places here like Shaniwarwada and Siagar Fort and the famous temple, the Guru Set Halwai Temple, Lal Kasba Temple, like this places are famous here.
Where is Shirdi? Shirdi, where is Shirdi? Shirdi के
City
side.
is far away from Pune. Like I
Oh,
don't know about kilometers, but it's after 300 kilometers far away from Pune.
okay. What is the famous chaat of Pune?
Yeah,
Chaat.
most of people are pav bhaji and vada pav and misal pav. Misal pav famous here. Everyone wants to eat misal
Can you
pav whenever get time, and if you want to uh, take a snacks, so they take this type of snack that time.
can you repeat the third chaat name?
Misal pav means misal pav means like a bread and making a some masala curry with sprouts with moong sprout, green sprout.
Then it is very healthy because
Yeah,
in
it's,
this.
no, it's healthy, but it's too oily because putting lots of oil in that.
But we can, I think, we can make it at home with less oil because in
Yeah,
this
yeah.
recipe we are adding sprouts na. So and the sprouts.
Using a lots of masala in that, like
Mm,
most of what is say tikha masala they using in that.
because I don't know.
Yeah, metro means metro is available, but
Mm,
not now improving metro connectivity here. Everywhere is not available. You to PMT. If you want to go anywhere, you use PMT here.
what is PMT?
PMT is local bus.
Oh,
Local bus.
local.
In every 1.5 hour, they provide local bus for people. They want to go outside 30, 40 kilometer away for a job or away for college. So they use local PMT. Because Ola Uber is so costly here. It's take to charge.
Mm-hmm.
And the PMT take less charge like 20, 30 rupees. So all people are prefer to go local PMT here.
Okay, so in local language they are using this word PMT.
Yes, yes, here.
Okay, so when I hear this word, I was curious. What is PMT?
Yeah, yeah. Here are using PMT and some all where are using different names. In Pune, giving this name here.
So by your side, I have learned a new thing. PMT. It is used in
Yes.
Pune.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
When I don't know when I will go Pune, but somebody says PMT, then I think I will not confuse. What is PMT?
Okay. Yeah,
It is
yeah.
a question from your side.
Okay. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, sometimes it depends on mood because today I am feeling very tired and today I want that I have to sleep. Nobody should
Okay.
disturb me.
Oh, but today is your birthday. I think you have lots of call from wishes.
Mm-hmm.
Because
Mm-hmm.
you taking a call and answer and talking to 10 to minutes, you all day are busy with phone, I think. It's and sometimes we answer, we
No,
want to
and
answer
my friends are.
yeah, what you say, I can't hear.
No, I'm telling you, most of the friends I get most of the friends are my childhood friend
Okay,
and some family members.
okay, okay,
And you also,
okay.
and you also make my day special.
uh, that's good. Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I have a topic. Can we discuss?